Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the previous classes we are discussing the types of triangles, and then the median of the triangle and the altitude of the triangles. So these concepts we are discussed in the previous classes. So today we are going to discuss that the properties of the triangle. The first one is exterior angle property and angle sum property, and then special triangles properties. So these properties we are discussed in these classes. Okay, so let me start. The first one is exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. So what do you mean about exterior angle property? See, very simple. I will take one of the example. This is one of the triangle. Okay, in this triangle, these are interior angles. So inside of the angles are called as interior. A, B and C. Angle A, angle B, angle C. These are the interior angle of the triangle. So what do you mean about the exterior angle property? Very simple, students. Any one side of the triangle we have to extend it. Any one side of the triangle. More side of the other one side and extend mana. So extend. After the extended, it having it form one of the angles. That is A, C. This one I will take it as D. Okay, so this one of the angles it formed. Okay, or if you are extended this side, it form another exterior angle. This is the exterior angles. This is also exterior angle and this is also exterior angle. So this is a X and this is a Y. And one more thing, see. So this is one of the exterior angles. This is Z. See, angle X, angle Z, angle Y. X, Y, Z. These are the exterior angles. So what do you say about the exterior angle properties? So very simple, students. The angles, see, this is one of the angle A, and this is angle B, and this is angle X. This angle, exterior angle, it is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. Opposite interior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. So exterior angle ಯಾವತ್ತು ಅದರ opposite ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ interior angle ಗಳ sum ಗೆ equal ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, X this is the ACD. Angle ACD is one of the exterior angle. This angle is equal to the opposite interior angle. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ opposite ಇದು adjacent ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈ angle. But ಈ angle ಗೆ opposite interior angle ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು opposite interior angle. ಯಾವುದು angle A ಮತ್ತೆ angle B. BAC or angle A plus angle ABC, that is angle B. Okay, so this is the exterior angle properties. What is the exterior angle property? The exterior angle property is called, see, the sum of the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles, then it is called as exterior angle properties. You understand? So next, for example, this is one of the 70 degree and this is one of the 60 degree. So what is the angle of the exterior angle? What is the angle of exterior angles? See, very simple, ACD. So this is the exterior angles. See, the value of X, we have to calculate the value of X. Suppose the sum of the interior angles. Therefore, X it is equal to, what is the opposite interior angle? One of the 70 degree and another is 60 degree. So this sum is equal to how much become 130 degree. This is the value of X. This is 130 degree. So this is angle ACD. Are you understood? So one more thing. Suppose this is one of the 80 degree. So what is this value of Y? So this is one of the exterior angle. What is the opposite interior angle of the angle Y? Opposite interior angle of Y. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ this is one of E ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ CBE or EBC is the one of the exterior angle. This exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior. What is the opposite interior angle of EBC? So RY. So opposite interior angles is angle A and angle C. Angle A plus angle C. The sum of these two angles is equal to the angle of Y. So what is the sum of these two angles? Angle 70 degree and 80 degree. 70 plus 80, it is equal to 150 degree. This is value of Y is 150 degree. Do you understand? So like Z. Z, if you want Z means we want 80 degree and this one. So I think 130 something 40 degree something is there. Okay. So the sum of these two angles is equal to angle Z. Angle Z. Do you understand? This is the exterior angle. This exterior angle opposite to the sum of the interior angle. The sum of the interior angle is 80 degree and 40 degree. The sum is equal to the angle of Z. So these are called as exterior angle property. Okay. So next one. Next one, angle sum property. Angle sum property. See, this is one of the triangle. So how many triangles are there in a triangle? There are three angles. There are three angles in a triangle. So what is the angle sum property? The angle sum property means the sum of interior angle of a triangle. Sum of interior angle of a triangle is equal to how much degree? 180 degree. So this is the property of a triangle. So one triangle ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಮೂರು ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಓಕೆ. Isosceles triangle, scalar triangle, equilateral triangle, or obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle, any triangles, the sum of the all three angles is equal to 180 degree. So this is the properties of the angle sum property of a triangle. For example, this is one of the 60 degree and this is 70 degree. So 60 and 70 how much become 130 degree. Remaining this is 50 degree. The sum of these two angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So all these three angles, the sum of all these three angles is equal to 180 degree. Can I check it? So angle A how much degree? 60 degree plus angle B how much degree? 70 degree plus angle C how much degree? 50 degree. The sum of these three angles equal to 180 degree. So 60 plus 70, 130, 130 plus 50, 180 degree. So this is the angles of a triangles. Suppose the sum of all the three angles more than 180 degree or less than 180 degree, it can form a triangle. Is it can form a triangle? No, it never can form a triangle. Suppose another 60, 70, 60 it become 190 degree agutte. So it is not a triangle. Suppose another less than 180 it not form a triangle. So exactly equal to the sum of all the three angles equal to 180 degree, then it can form a triangle. Until it cannot form a triangle less than or more than, but it equal to 180 degree. This is the angle sum property of a triangle. Do you understood? Exterior angle property and angle sum property. The next one, special triangles. I will take special triangle. See, first one I will take equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Is it right? Equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Already I discussed with the previous classes. Yes, sir. Okay. So ABC is one of the triangle. In that, all sides are equal. Is it right? And also, all angles measures. Each angle measures 60 degree. Each angle measures 60 degree. In an equilateral triangle, students, see, ABC is one of the equilateral triangle. In that, so all sides are equal as well as all angles must be equal. Each angle measures 60 degree in only for equilateral triangle. This equilateral triangle is also called as equal angle triangle. equal angle triangle. Okay, so this is the another name of the equilateral triangle. According to sides, we have to say it as equilateral triangle. If the angles are equal, we call it as equal angle triangle. So in an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, and also all angles measures equal. Each angle measures 60 degree. Okay, next one, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. What is this property of the isosceles triangle? See, what do you mean about isosceles triangle? In an isosceles triangle, ABC is one of the isosceles triangle. In that, any two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal. Okay. In that, the two sides are equal or called as isosceles triangle, and also the opposite angle opposite to equal sides are equal. See, AB के opposite angle है angle C, and AC के opposite angle है angle B. So this angle B and angle C is also become equal. See, suppose AB is equal to AC आदागा. AB is equal to AC ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. AB ಗೆ opposite triangle C ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. AC ಗೆ opposite triangle angle B ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ angle B ಮತ್ತು angle C ಕೂಡ equal ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Angle B is equal to angle C. So therefore, base angle opposite to equal sides are equal. These angles must be equal when the opposite sides are equal. When in a isosceles triangle, any two sides are equal, the opposite angle must be equal in an isosceles triangle. Suppose ಇವೆರಡು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಇವೆರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಿ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇವು ಎರಡು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ. ಅವಾಗ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ, ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ in any isosceles triangle, suppose two sides are equal, the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Correct? This is the properties of the isosceles triangle. For example, one more, I will take it as one more example. This is the ABC is one of the triangle, in the isosceles triangle, with the AB is equal to AC. Okay, angle B is equal to 60 degree. What is the 70 degree? What is the angle C? What is the angle of C? Angle C is also becoming 60 degree because of AB and AC are equal. The opposite angle must be equal. Suppose angle B is equal to 70 degree, angle C ಕೂಡ 70 degree ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 70 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು 70 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 60 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು 60 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is the properties of the isosceles triangle. And then this is equilateral triangle. Okay. So these are the properties of the triangle. Okay, students. So the next I will go to the directly exercise 6.2. In that, first find the value of exterior angle of x. Exterior angles na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x ಅನ್ನೋದು exterior angle ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I will take it as first one. I will draw the diagram. Okay, this is x, this is 50, and this is 70. I will take it as, I will give the name, any name, A, B, C, and this is D. Anyone you should give it for this triangle. First, so it is in x, it is in exterior angle. Okay, this exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Is it right? Therefore, angle ACD, it is equal to opposite sum of the opposite interior angle. Opposite interior angle, what is that? Angle A and angle B. Okay. What is the ACD? ACD is equal to x. X is equal to angle A how much degree? 50 degree plus angle B how much degree? 70 degree. So therefore, x is equal to 50 plus 70 how much become 120 degree. So this is the value of x. This is the exterior angle of the x. Value of x is 120 degree. Are you understood? So next to second one. Second one I will take third one. Okay. Second one you have to do in your home. So third one. So this is an x. and then one is 30 degree and then 40 degree. This is 30 degree and this is 40 degree. Okay, so I will give name for this P, Q, R, and this is S. So now I will find the X value. So X is exterior. P R S is the exterior. P R S is equal to okay. P R S is equal to this is the exterior angle. This exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. With opposite angle 40 matte 30. I mean Q matte P. Therefore angle P plus angle Q. Then PRS means X. X is equal to angle P. How much? Angle P is 30 degree. Angle Q is 40 degree. The sum of 40 degree and 30 degree is 70 degree. This is the value of X. So X is equal to 70 degree. Are you understood? So next one, students. Sixth one, I will go to the question number 6. In that sixth, okay, so this is an X, this is 30 degree and this is 60 degree. In that, so what is the value of X? So this is, I will give the name for that P, Q, R and S. Okay, see here P, R, S, again P, R, S is the exterior angle. This exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. Opposite interior angle is angle P plus angle Q. So PRS means X, angle P is 30 degree, angle Q is 60 degree. The sum of the 60 and 30 is become 90 degree. Therefore, the value of X in the given figure is 90 degree. Are you understood? The remaining 3 questions are there in this main. 3 or 4 questions are there. Can you do in your own? Yes, you should do it in your own. Like this only. Okay. So next question, I will go to the second main. Okay, in the second main, find the value of interior angle of X. X another interior exterior angle already ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. First main ಅಲ್ಲಿ exterior angle ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. Second main ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ exterior angle ಅವನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ opposite interior angles ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, I will go to the first question. (115 degree). This is 50 degree, correct, and this X is the interior angles. So I will give name for this one A, B, C, and this is D. So ACD is one of the exterior angles. This exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. Is it right? Therefore, angle ACD it is equal to the opposite sum of the opposite interior angle. What are the interior angles? Angle A and angle B. Okay, so ACD how much degree? 115 degree. It is equal to angle A how much degree? 50 degree plus angle B is X. Okay, so the 50 degree have to send to the LHS from RHS to LHS. Okay, so therefore 115 degree keep it in the LHS side. So 50 degree it will come is minus 50 degree is equal to remaining is X. So linear equations in one variable. Yes. So 115 degree and 50 degree you should subtract it. So 5 minus of 0 5. Okay, here 11 minus of 5 is 6, 65 degree. This is the X. Therefore X is equal to 65 degree. Is it right? So 65 and 115 it become 5 minus of 0 is 5. So 11 minus of 5 is 6, 65. So 60 plus 115 degree. So this is the value of interior angle of X. Interior angle of X. Can you understood this question? Yes, like that. Second question, I will go to the question number second one. See, in that this is 100 degree and the opposite this is 70 degree and this is X degree. So this one for W, X, Y and Z. Okay. See, this is the exterior angle of this triangle WXY. The opposite interior angles is 70 degree and X. So the opposite sum of these opposite interior angle is equal to the exterior angles. Therefore, angle, what is the exterior angle? YXZ, it is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. Angle W plus angle Y. So YXZ how much degree? YXZ, this is the exterior. How much degree? 100 degree is equal to angle W is 70 degree plus angle Y is X. So now 100 degree keeping in the LHS side. So 70 degree sent to the LHS, it becomes minus 70 degree. Therefore, it is equal to X. 100 minus of 70 it becomes 30 degree. It is equal to X. Therefore, X is equal to 30 degree. So this is the value of interior angle of X. Okay. So like that, question number 4. I will go to the question number 4. What is the question number 4? This is A, B and C, this is D. Okay, this is 120 degree. This is 120 degree and this is the value of 60 degree. Then this is the X. Then we have to find out the X value. So same procedure. Angle ACD is the exterior angle. This exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle, that is angle A plus angle C. Angle ACD is equal to how much degree? 120 degree. Angle A is 60 degree plus angle C is X. So 120 degree in the LHS side. It becomes minus 60 degree, it is equal to X. 120 minus of 60 becomes 60 degree, it is equal to X. Therefore, X is equal to 60 degree. You understood? This is the value of interior angle of X. So, like that, last question number 6, I will show the last question. This is 75 degree and then this is 30 degree. So, this is the value of X. Okay. Next, P, Q, R and S. So QRS is the exterior angle. This exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite we have the angle Q plus angle P. Okay. So angle QRS is 75 degree is equal to angle Q is 30 degree. We want to calculate the value of P. X, angle P is X. So 75 degree keep in the LHS, 30 become minus 30 degree is equal to X. Okay, 70 minus of 30, how much become? 45 degree. 5 minus of 0, 5, 7 minus of 3 is 45 degree. This is the value of X is 45 degrees. You understood, students? This is the interior angle of the given triangle. Okay, so like this, by using the exterior angle properties to solve the value of X in the given figures. Are you understood? Yes. In the next class, students, we are discussing the angle sum property of a triangle. In related questions, we are discussing the next exercise problems. That one you have to discuss in the next classes. Okay, students? Thank you.